Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to start coding in Roblox. So the first step is to download Roblox Studio, of course. If you already have it, just skip to the time above on the screen. Okay, so if you don't have it, here is how to download it. Open your browser and type Roblox Studio download and just see the first link. Next, you should have this window appear. Just click this button. Then you click this and it will start downloading. When it's done, open it. And then Roblox Studio will just open. It might ask you to log in your account. Just put your username and password and it will let you in. Okay, so to actually start, go ahead and click templates. And there are a lot of templates, but we will choose the default one. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you know the basics of Roblox Studio, like you have the workspace, players, and all of that, properties, output. I'm going to assume you know all of that, but if you don't and you want a tutorial on that, just tell me in the comments. Alright, so now I'm going to continue the actual video. So to start, you are going to add a script right here in a server script service. And right here, you write your code. So if we type print hello world, now to run the code, go ahead and click this and run. Then just click this. And right here in the output, here is all the output from your code. So hello world. And this is your first line in Roblox Studio. If you enjoyed this episode and found it useful, please consider subscribing and giving us a like. Thanks for watching.